Good morning, class. Welcome back, you all, in computer class. Now, class, today I am going to explain you remaining topic of chapter 5, more on HTML. In this, today I will cover one topic only, internal linking. Internal linking is a very big topic. Big topic means that to make understand you internal linking, we have to write complete code for this. So that's why it takes time. Now listen, about internal linking already I have explained, but still now listen this. Internal linking means the hyperlink point to a specific section within the same document or web page. External linking, other document or other web page, but now in this within the same document or web page. This is a helpful especially when a long web page is divided into various sections and a list of all the sections heading is displayed on top of the web page. So this is all about already I have explained you. Now let's just I am going to your code section of internal linking. In this you will learn how to create an internal linking in HTML. So here are some general tags and attributes are used. So all of you know very well about this already. Now, but from here I am going to start. Just suppose I am going to make a website about our school, Safaj Public School. Here I have applied center attribute, center tag and h1 tag. The center tag is used to make anything in the center of web page. h1 tag is the largest heading label tag. It changes the size of text in largest font size. h1 here close, center close and h1 close. BR tag, all of you know very well about the use of BR tag to break line. Here I have used one new tag, HR tag. HR tag is used to draw horizontal ruler or horizontal line. Inside this color attribute, color red means line draw in red color. After that some general point given about like admission, event, curriculum, sport, whatever, etc. to make some large. Now the main important point going to start here from A tag, anchor tag. Main topic going to start from anchor tag. Anchor tag is used to create a hyperlink, both internal linking and external linking. In internal linking we use external linking, already I have shown you. href, here you have to write hyperlink reference and linking word, then your link created. Now I am going to explain you about internal linking. In internal linking, here write h reference and hash act I have written just like as an example. The hash act is the name or label. It is a name or label given to the explanation section. Same name we have to use in explanation section. In two parts we created internal linking. First I have just like a declare here that in activity this word about the activity given in this area, this part of the section. So here you have to given the name or label to the explanation section. This command tells the browser that the hyperlink references to the name has acted when the activity heading is clicked. It shows the explanation. It shows the explanation section where name or label act is written. Now here I have used too much BR tag to break line, to make understand you and show the usage of internal linking. Here I suppose your any paragraph, any matter, any text, then you can write explanation. This is your explanation section. In P tag I have used to create a paragraph, so or display text in form of paragraph. Again I have used here A tag, and then in place of href I have used here name attribute. Name equal to what written ACT, same thing. ACT here also same thing you have to write. Same thing right here ACT, and activity, the linking word. So this is not a linking word mainly. Now A tag here going to close. Here now close A tag. Then now after that whatever I have written here, this word now link by this activity. By this activity this word now link. After that you need to save your file. After that I have written only general tag, I tag, B tag, U tag, means italic, bold, underline. Save this file and go to your file and run your file. When you run your file, your output appear like that. Your output appear here like that. Look now, here 5 points are given: admission, event, activities, curriculum, sports, administration, etc. But now all appear in red color, but here activities appear in blue color. Do you know why? Because now it is a hyperlink. That's why appear in different color. Hyperlink, any hyperlinks or any link will not affect your body text color. Now here activities. See now what would happen when we click on this word. Just I have moved here. Without scrolling, you can move to the other section or a required section by clicking on a link. When you click section heading, you will reach to the related section explanation, which is located down on the web page. So that's all about your internal linking. Once more you can see the code. In internal linking, 2 anchor tag you have to use, and both are the important about internal linking. First with href attribute. First anchor tag used with href attribute, and second anchor tag used with name attribute. So these two attribute you have to keep in your mind while creating your link. So that's all for internal linking. I hope that all of you have understand, and all of you try it at home. If you have got any problem, any confusion, you may ask me through my WhatsApp number. Now class, I think it's enough for today. In next topic I will explain you about frame, and that is your last topic. Now for today it's enough, and thank you all for today class. Thank you all.